Yeah, hello students. In the previous classes videos I have done vectors topic vectors 1 and 2, probability 1 and 2, and after that I have done three-dimensional geometry 1 also I have done. Now I am going to explain three-dimensional geometry part 2. I will explain today around 20 questions, and yesterday I explained around 18 questions. Together it covers all the models. Most important questions I covered. It helps to improve your score, no doubt. So concentrate these questions. Definitely you are able to answer maximum questions in our term 2 exam. I hope you can do that. Just you can observe here what I am going to explain now. So total now the question is look at the first problem now. Just in three-dimensional geometry, part 2 I am doing all important models. If we solve these models along with me, definitely will be thorough with three-dimensional geometry, no doubt in that. Maximize your score. Now, see the first question now. I am going to explain the first one now. Find the value of k so that the lines x equal to minus y equal to kz and x minus 2 equal to 2y plus 1 equal to minus z plus 1 are perpendicular to each other. Given that are perpendicular to each other. Find the value of k so that the lines x equal to minus y equal to kz and x minus 2 equal to 2y plus 1 equal to minus z plus 1 are perpendicular to each other. Right here we will write this given equation x equal to minus y equal to kz. We will write in the, like you can see here, the Cartesian form is given. We write the symmetric form of the line. So the first line I can write x by 1 is equal to minus y means I can write x by 1 equal to y by minus 1 equal to z by 1 by k. That means for this equation I can write a1, b1, c1, the direction ratios of this line 1 minus 1, 1 by k I have taken. You take another line is given x minus 2 by 1 equal to, write the standard form 2y plus 1. You take 2 common this one, y plus 1 by 2 by 1, which is equal to, take minus common z minus 1 by 1. But in the standard form, x minus 2 by 1 equal to y plus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, which is equal to z minus 1 by minus 1. Now in this case, you think about the drs of this. If we think what are the drs of this, I can write here a2, b2, c2. a2, b2, c2 will be, just you take drs of this a2, b2, c2, which is equal to, I can write 1 comma 1 by 2 comma minus 1. We can write this 1 by 2 minus 1. Now you can check here. We know the property here. The given two lines are perpendicular. Since the given lines are perpendicular, I can use a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equal to 0. I can write now here. Since the given lines are perpendicular, we can write. Since the lines are perpendicular, we have the property. I can write a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equal to 0. If we use this condition, I can find the value of k. Correct, I can find the value of k. Correct, give me the lines, sir. I can find the value of k. Since a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equal to 0. If we take this one, 1 into 1, I can write the values. I can write 1 into 1 and this one minus 1 into minus, because this 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 by 2 plus c1 c2 1 by k into minus 1. You simplify equal to 0. Right. You can write this one. You can simplify this one. You will get the required one. You can find k value. So you will get 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by k equal to 0. So you will get 1 by 2 equal to 1 by k. Correct. Then there implies k is equal to 2. Your answer is k is equal, that will be your answer, k equal to 2. K equal to is required answer. When the given lines are perpendicular, the sum of the product of the DRs is equal to 0, right? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Substitute in this, we get the value of k. Like this we can do this simple problem, but model is important. Expected question also, model is important. I hope you understood this. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. I can repeat again, I can explain again. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the chat box, I can repeat. Yeah, now you can see that when I am doing the second one now, show that the lines they given, these lines intersect, also find their point of intersection. They can intersect, also find their point of intersection, they are asking. When they are asking their point of intersection, right, they are asking to find the point of intersection. When they are asking point of intersection, see here, these are the lines is given, two lines intersect, also find the point of intersection. So when they are asking like this, what we do here, the problem will solve easily. The problem, we can solve this problem. So first I will take general point of this line. You can take the general point, I can write x plus 1 by 3 equal to y plus 3 by 5 equal to z plus 5 by 7 is equal to, I can write some, I can write some, anything, I can write some, any one letter I can write here. So if I write some t. So from this what can I write? X is equal to 3t minus 1, y is equal to 5t minus 3, 5t minus 3, and z is equal to 7t minus 5. We can add 7t minus 5. So we can, what is the general point on this first line I can consider. This is the one of the point I can consider. So any point on the line I can consider. Correct. This is a point on the line x, y, z. I can take the point 3t minus 1, 5t minus 3, 7t minus is a point on the given line. Similarly, the second line, if we take it, x minus 2 by 1 equal to y minus 4 by 3 equal to z minus 6 by 5 is equal to, so you take some s. If you take what is x value, s plus 2, y value 3s plus 4, and z value 5s plus 6. So any point on this line can be taken as s plus 2, 3s plus 4, and 5s plus 6. Correct. I have taken both the points right. So then they are asking for the lines to intersect, it must have. See, they are telling here, show that the lines to intersect. So this is the line 1, this is line 2. So you can think here, for lines 1 and 2 to intersect, for lines 1 and 2 to intersect, we must have, for lines 1 and 2, you can think, for 1 and 2 to intersect, you think to 1 and 2 to intersect, we must have, the points should be same, right? I can write 3t minus 1 is equal to s plus t. I will get another equation, 5t minus 3 equal to 3s plus 4, comparing y coordinates. Comparing z, I can write equating 7t minus 5 equal to 5s plus 6. We solve this, you solve and we find s and t values. So 3t minus 1 equal to s plus 2. Correct. I can find any one of value here. Suppose from this equation, can I find s value? This one, 3t, I can find s value from this equation. So you will get 3t minus 3 is equal to s. So from this equation I can find in the place of s 3t minus 3 I can write. So 5t minus 3 equal to 3. I can write 3 into s means 3t minus 3. 3t minus 3 minus 4. You can check that 5t minus 3 equal to 90 minus 9 minus 4. You will get this one, you can transfer this side. 13 minus 3, 10 equal to, you will get 4t. So you can check that here. Correct. Now you can find the value of t. So you can check that value of t, what it comes now. Verify the value. We got, because 3t minus 1 is equal to, have taken s plus 2 right. You have written like this, right? When I have taken, what I have done here, this is 3t minus 1 minus 3 equal to s. I got this one, 3t, correct, 3t minus 3 equal to s. 3 plus s value here, 3 into 3t minus 3, 9t minus 9, correct. We have, you can see here, this will be better. This is 3s plus 4, be careful. This is 3s plus 4. I written minus 4 by mistake, 3s plus 4. Plus 4, then you will get different value. You should be careful here. So you will get this value, you can see now. You will get, then you can verify. Now this is the 9t minus 5t, you will get 5t minus 3 minus 9 plus 4. Minus, you can simplify this. I can 5t minus 9t, 5t minus 9t minus 5 minus 3. Correct, it will come now. Minus 4t equal to minus 8. T equal to, you can check here. We got this one right. So what the value it comes now? You can verify. I have transferred this side. 5t minus 9t minus 4t minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 plus 3. We should be careful. This will be plus 3. So this will come now. I can write the value. This will be minus 2. T equal to, it comes 1 by 2. Be careful. When you are doing it, you should be careful. I got t equal to 1 by 2. But we know this relation. I have s is equal to 3t. Now this is t equal to 1 by 2. 3t minus 3. So I can write 3 into 3 by 2 minus 3. Correct. This will be, you can simplify, minus 3 by 2. I got s equal to minus 3 by 2. Remember, we got s equal to minus 3 by 2, t equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find the points from 1 and 2, substitute. It gives, if we give same point for these values, then we can say the two lines intersect. So what the point is given here? 3t minus 1, 5t minus 3 and 7t minus 5. Substitute 1 by 2 in this, in the line 1. You can substitute line 1. If we take it line 1, in line 1 any point I have taken. So 3t minus 1. So if we take it 3t minus 1, is substitute 3 by 2 minus 1. So it will come 1 by 2, 3t minus 1. And we have, you can see that point, I am finding each point here. 5t minus 3. If we take 5t minus 3, so 5 by 2 minus 3. So minus 1 by 2. Another point 7t minus 5. You take 7t minus 5. It will come 7 by 2. Right? 7t minus 5, which is equal to 7 by 2 minus 5. So it will come now minus 3 by 2. So the point will come 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. It comes right, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. This is the point on the first line. Similarly, you take line 2. If you take line 2, in line 2, substitute s equal to minus 3 by 2. If we substitute s equal to minus 3 by 2, you can substitute the values. So s plus 2, the first line 2, first one s plus 2. What is s plus 2? Minus 3 by 2 plus 2. It will be 1 by 2. Next one we have this one 3s plus 4. If we take 3s plus 4, we have 3s plus 4. If we take 3s plus 4, substitute the value again, 3s plus 4 minus 9 by 2 plus 4. It will be minus 1 by 2. And the next 5s plus 6. If we substitute 5s plus 6, substitute in this, it gives minus 3 by 2. So again you can see what you observe here. Line 2 also point is same. We got the same point. The point is same. We got in line 2, the point is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. In both the cases we got the same point. Therefore, the given lines intersect and this is the point of intersection. Therefore, 1 and 2 intersect. 1 and 2 intersect at the point 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So that will be answer. Therefore, 1 and 2 intersect at the point 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. This model is important. I have taken common point. Finally, I proved those two common points are same here for the intersecting. So I have taken the first line is, you just observe here, the first line consider as T, right, general point on the first line. Consider second line is S, find general point on the second line. For 1 and 2 intersect, we must have x coordinates of both should be equal, y coordinates of both should be equal, I equated z coordinates. Now I simplified. I got t equal to 1 by 2, s equal to minus 3 by 2. Substitute these points, line 1 and line 2. We got the same point. Therefore, 1 and 2 intersect at the point 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Hope you understood this. Now we can solve the problem number 3. Is it clear? Can you do problem number 3? You understood, I hope, right? Can you do problem number 3? Anyone a doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, someone is attending. You can also send your name in the chat box. I can understand who is attending. Now question number 3 I am going to explain now. Question number 3. See the question number 3 now. Find the perpendicular distance of the point 1, 0, 0 from the line. Also find the coordinates of the put of the perpendicular and the equation of the perpendicular. They are asking equation of the perpendicular also. That also we should find. So find the perpendicular distance of the point 1, 0, 0 from the line. That we find that. Also find the coordinates of the put of the perpendicular and the equation of the perpendicular and also equation of the perpendicular we should find here. So now we can see here the line. First we will do that. Perpendicular distance. I will take any point on the line. So to find the perpendicular distance, you can see here, find the perpendicular of the point 1, 0, 0 from the line. So this is the given line equation. So you can take it any point on the given line. So to find any point on the given, I can write any point on the given line. I can consider. To get any point on the given line, I can consider any point on the given line. And you can consider x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by minus 3, and z plus 10 by 8. So any point on the given line, okay, I can take it. This is x minus 1 by 2. So they given 1. What I have written here, this is given 1, which is equal to some t I can write. So what will be the point? X is equal to 2t plus 1, y is equal to minus 3t minus 1, and z is equal to 8t minus 10. We have x, y, z. We get the point right. This is the point we have taken. Is equal to k we have taken. This is the point right. Now, put up the perpendicular from 1. This is the point I have taken. So they are asking put up the perpendicular. You can think about that. Suppose the point the given this is 1 0 0. Let it be, this is the put of the perpendicular, this point you can consider put of the perpendicular. So let it be, this is point P and this point Q I can consider. What the point Q I can consider? Q is the put of the perpendicular. I can take it. So you can see the drs of this line. What the drs of this line I can write? I can write A1, B1, C1. Drs will be 2, -3, 8 for the given line. Drs is this line. And the point, let Q be the put of the perpendicular I can consider. Let Q be the put of the perpendicular. If we take it that one, you can take the point put of the perpendicular, right? So you can consider, let Q be the put of the perpendicular. Let Q be the put of the perpendicular, you can consider. Q be the put of the perpendicular. Right. Let Q be the put of the perpendicular, you can consider. Q be the put of the perpendicular. Then you can write Q is equal to, general point I can consider. And I have taken that Q is equal, I can consider. Q is equal to general point we have 2t plus 1, I can write -3t minus 1 and 8t minus 10. Correct. But I can find drs of PQ bar. If you find drs of PQ bar, what is the drs of PQ bar you can write? This is the given 1 0 0, 2t plus 1 minus 1. So drs of PQ bar I can write. Write drs of PQ bar, it will come 2t and this one -3t minus 1 and 8t minus 10. This is the drs of PQ bar, let it, which is equal to A2, B2, C2. But PQ bar perpendicular to the given line, this PQ bar perpendicular to the given line, since PQ bar perpendicular to the given line, I can write A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Since the given line is perpendicular to this, so PQ bar, because we can write PQ perpendicular to line, given line, right? Then we can use this one. If I use A1, A2 plus B1, B2, so 2 I can write 2 into 2t, 2 minus 3, 8. So I can write 2 into 2t and minus 3 into minus 3t minus 1 plus 8 into, I can write 8t minus 10, which is equal to 0. This we will find the value now. The t value will simplify. This will be 4t. Simplify everything now. You will get this is 4t and plus 9t plus 3 plus 64t. We got this is minus 80 equal to 0. Now 64, 9, 73, 77. So 70, 70 equal to 77. Then t is equal to 1 we got. That implies t is equal to 1. I got the value of t is equal to 1. Right. So we can see I written this is implies I got t is equal to 1. So this is the value we got, t is equal to 1. When t equal to 1, put of the perpendicular I can write easily, right? That asks what the put of the perpendicular. So I can find the value. Therefore q is equal to 2t means I can write this is 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 8 minus 10, it will be minus 2. 2 minus 4 minus 2 will be q. Correct. They are asking perpendicular distance from P to Q and also find the equation of the line. So I can find the distance PQ. I can find PQ. We know this point. I can find the PQ equation, right? Right. We can find the equation now. 1 0 0 2 4 minus 2 means what is the distance between P and Q if I consider? You can find distance between P and Q. PQ. We know the points, right? 2 minus 1 whole square and minus 4 whole square, minus 4 minus 0 and minus 2 whole square. You substitute the values here. It will come 1 plus 16 plus 4. If it comes root 20, correct. It's because they are given 16 plus this one 4, right. You can simplify this, the value PQ. We are finding the distance between P and Q, right. We got the value here, you can check that. I have taken the value. Oh, it should be the DRs I have taken. So, sorry, I should substitute in this value, right, 2t plus 1. This will become 3, be careful. This will become 3. Then it will be 3 minus 1, should be careful. Q point is that. Q point is that. You will get this one 3 minus 1. To me it will be 4. Root 24 it comes. So, 2 root 6. It will be 2 root 6. The distance is 2 root 6. Now, I can find. Since the DRs of PQ bar we know. So, they are asking about the equation of PQ bar also. We know the Q point here. We have taken Q point 3 minus 4 minus 2. And also DRs of this one, A2, B2, C2. So, we know the Q point and this. We can write equation of the line. The required equation of the line we can write. See the point, we know that. The P point is, we know, 1, 0, 0. And the DRs of PQ bar we know. DRs of PQ bar equal to, so this bit will come. So T is equal to 1, 2 and this one minus 4 because we have taken this DRs of PQ bar, right. Substituting in this DRs of PQ bar 2T, 2 and minus 3 minus 4 and 8 minus 10 minus 2. Then equation of PQ bar is x minus 1 by 2, y minus 0 by minus 4 and z minus 2 by, z minus 0 by, it comes minus 2. That is the required equation. Correct? So this is equation of PQ, DRs of PQ bar. Why? Because x minus x1 by a equal to y minus 1 b equal to z minus z1 by c. DRs of PQ bar we know. Passing through this point I have taken. This is equation of the line PQ. I hope you understood this. If I have doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat the problem. Anyone have doubt, you can ask me. I can repeat the problem. Is it clear? I am going to explain the fourth one now. You understood? If you have doubt, you can ask me. I can explain. Then fine. Now see the other problem now. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 1, 3, minus 2. Minus 1, 3, minus 2. And perpendicular to the lines. Passing through the point minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 3, minus 2. And perpendicular to the lines. Perpendicular to the given lines. So this is the important one. So you can check that here. You should be passing through the point. So it is required to find the direction, cosines or direction ratios of the required line. We will take, let element or ABC be the direction is given line, which is perpendicular to the lines. Which is perpendicular to the lines we can consider. Right, because we should solve those two equations, we can find that. The ratio I can find. DRs of that. Passing the point, because I should find DRs. What I will do, right? Let A comma B comma C be the, I can consider, be the DRs of the line. Be the DRs of the required line. We are the DRs of the required line. Let ABC be the DRs of the required line. The required line perpendicular to the given lines. Per given lines. Then you can see here what it comes from the given lines. I can apply this property, this ABC. Use perpendicular property. I can write, if we use perpendicular property, then we get, since the given, this line is perpendicular given line, I can write now A plus A into 1, B into 2, 2B plus 3C equal to 0. This is one equation. And for this line, perpendicular condition, minus 3a plus 2b plus 5c equal to 0. This is equation 2, 1 and 2. I should solve this one. I should find the proportion. If I should find, we got these values, a, b, c, and minus 3a plus 2b plus 5c equal to 0. You solving 1 and 2, I should find a, b with a, b, c values. We can find a, b, c values. Find a, b, c, then easy to find that. Generally, if we find cross product of these two, we get the a, b, c values. That is also option is there. If we take Cartesian product of cross product of vector product 1 and 2, if we consider, easily you can find the drs of the line, which is the required line, because the required line is perpendicular to given lines. Why? Because the cross product of this always perpendicular to the required line, right? I can find that easily. I can find that. That way I can solve that. Easily I can solve. Otherwise, solving 1 and 2 also we can do that. So from see, if we take that way, I can find easily the cross product. So for example, I am taking I cap, j cap, k cap. You take this is 1, 2, 3 coefficients of this. This I can write minus 3, 2, 5. If you find this vector gives drs of the required line. So this 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 5. If I take this, it comes now. You expand this one. 10 minus, you will get this one. 10 minus 6 I cap. 10 minus 6 I cap minus this one. 5 plus 9 j cap. I can write this. 5 plus 9 j cap, and this one. K cap means like 2 plus 6 into k cap. So it comes now 4 I cap minus 14 j cap plus 8 k cap. It comes 4 minus 14, 8. Correct. Now you can see these are the, now we can write the drs of the required line. I have taken a, b, c with the drs of the required line. A, b, drs of the required. I can write a, b, c equal to 4 minus 14 and 8. Even I can also make it this one drs. So 2 minus 7, 4. Only drs means I can take it the ratio only, right? So I can simplify drs. 2 minus, because this is a by 4, b by minus 14, c by 8, you can write drs I got. This is the drs of the required line. Take cross product. When the required line is perpendicular to the given lines, then you take this cross product, it gives this one. Since these are the proportional, so 2 minus 7, 4 also I can consider. 2 minus 7, 4 also I can consider, right? So 2 minus 7, 4 I can also consider. These are the drs of this line. So now we know that the equation of the I can write. Correct. So we got this one. Now I can the equation of the required line passing through minus 1, 3, minus 2. They given the point. Correct. I can consider that, and the dr is proportional to this. Right. So what is the line equation I can write now? After finding this, I can write the line equation. What is the line equation I can write? The given point is, so the given point x1 y1 z1 is minus 1, 3, minus 2. So the given point x1 y1 z1 minus 1, 3, minus 2, should be careful. This is given point minus 1, 3, minus 2. So the required line. So x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. So I can substitute the point now. The required I can write x minus x1. That means x plus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 3 by b means minus 7. Minus 7. Again minus equal to z plus 2 by 4. So this is the required line. I can write. Simple that one. You find this one. Whenever perpendicular, use a cross product. Then we get this. That is the required when it comes. That only like nothing but solving 1 and 2 I have done. We can do this. If it's clear, okay, fine. We can see that. Another one. Find the distance between the point -1, -5, -10 and the point of intersection of the line and the plane. Point of intersection of the line and the plane they are asking here. Intersection of the line and the plane. So equation of the given line, you can see distance between the point and the point of intersection of the line and the plane. We should find the point of intersection of line and plane, then after that we can find the distance. So equation of given line, x minus 2 by 3 equal to y plus 1 by 4. This one y plus 1 by 4. This is equal to z minus 2 by 12. I want to find general point on this. If we take is equal to t, what is general point I can consider? If we take t, x is equal to 3t plus 2, y is equal to 4t minus 1 and z is equal to 12t plus 2. I am trying to find a general point on this. Correct, but this point, why? Because they are telling point of intersection. But this point, because the given point of intersection of these two, I can simplify. Why? Because they are intersecting means this point should be on the given plane. So since this point lie on the plane, I can write. Since the point I can write. Since point, the point is 3, 2 plus 2, 4t minus 1, 4t minus 1, 12t plus 2, this point lie correct this point. Since the point, this point lies on the given plane, right? So this point, this entire point lies on the plane, lies on the plane x minus y plus z equal to 5. Substitute in this. So I can write 3t plus 2 minus 4t plus 1 plus z, this is z, plus z, this is z, means 12t plus t, 12t plus 2, 12t plus 2, 12t plus 2 equal to 5. Now I am going to solve the equation now. We will find the value of this. Find the value of t now. 3t minus 4t minus t. 12t you will get 11t, right? You will get 11t. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 is equal to 0. So this implies t equal to, we got t equal to 0. It gives t equal to 0. When I got t equal to 0, then I can find this point. Because that point is common for both line and plane. That should be the point of intersection. So that the point I can write. What is the point? It comes 3t plus 0 means it comes 2 and this minus 1 and you will get 2. 2 minus 1, 2. So this is the point, required point of intersection. 2 minus 1, 2 is the point of intersection. Now I can find distance between these 2 points, right? So 2 minus 1 is the point of intersection. 2 minus 1, 2 is the point of intersection. Point of intersection of the line with the plane. The given point is another one. We can find distance between these two. So we should find distance between minus 1, minus 5, minus 10. This is the point, let it be A. Another point P is I can find 2 minus 1, 2. Let I have taken like that. So minus 1, minus 5, minus 10, 2 minus 1, 2. Correct. Minus 1, minus 5. The given point is this. Minus 1, minus 5. Minus 5, minus 10. So the distance between these two. A, B, I can find the distance between these two. Minus 1, minus 2. Whole square, right. Find the distance between minus 5 plus 1. Whole square. And minus 10 minus 2. Whole square. We'll simplify this. Right, like x1 minus or x2 minus anything I can use this. Distance between 2 point formula can use this. This will be, you will get 9 and this will be, we will get 16 and 12 for 144. Correct. Root of 169. It will be 13. So 13 units. You will get 13, that will be the required answer. It gives 13 units. We completed this, right? So this is a simple problem. Just apply the logic. Take general point. Since the line end intersect with the plane, substitute third point in the plane, we get t equal to 0. Then 2 minus 1 is the required point of intersection. Then find distance between the given point to the point of intersection. It gives 13 units. Now the sixth one. A plane intersects minus 6, 3, 4 respectively on the coordinate axis. Find the length of the perpendicular from the origin on it. Length of the perpendicular from the origin on it. See that they are given minus 6, 3, 4 respect on the coordinate axis. So what is the equation of the plane? Because easily we can write. They are given this is the x-intercept, y-intercept. So they are given a is equal to minus 6, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. And we know intercepts. Then I get the equation of the plane is equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So that implies what it comes now. I can write x by minus 6 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 equal to 1. It gives the plane equation, right? I can take it LCM, I can simplify. See this one, if I take it LCM, I can simplify. I will get the answer now. See here, this will come. You take LCM, it is simplify. Minus 2x. You can simplify plus 4y plus 3z minus 12 equal to 0. You simplify. Become this one. Because finally you will get, this is the 12, this is LCM. You simplify. This is the equation of the plane, it comes. Equation of the plane. This is the equation of the plane. Given length of the perpendicular from the origin. When they are asking length of the perpendicular from the origin, I can find length of the perpendicular equal from the origin equal to length of the perpendicular. When they are asking length of the perpendicular, I can write length of the perpendicular from 0, 0 from origin equal to, substitute the plane equation, minus 2 into 0, 4 into 0, I can write, plus 3 into 0, minus 12, right, 3 into 0 I can write, you can see that, 3 into 0, minus 12 by formula. You can write the formula here, I can write root of a square plus b square plus c square, 4 plus 16 plus 9. It comes like this. Root of a square plus b square plus c square formula you can write. Now you simplify. It gives only this is 0, 12 by, it comes, you can simplify denominator now. 12 by root 29, right? Units. So what formula I use it here to find perpendicular distance? So whenever to find perpendicular from the given point to the given line, if you have doubt, you can think about that. Suppose this is the point x1, y1, z1. This is the line, they are given plane equation. Something they are asking, like they are asking something line, perpendicular, they are finding perpendicular distance. The plane equation ax plus by plus cz equal to 0. Ax plus by plus cz equal to 0. When the plane equation is like this. ax plus by plus cz, just I'm giving rough. So this perpendicular distance I can write perpendicular distance equal to mod ax1 mod ax1 mod ax1 ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So like this we can find perpendicular distance. Formula, this is formula. This is the formula. Using this formula we solve this problem. We'll get 12 by root 29. Root units, you'll get this one. Important one, concept is important. Now we do the seventh one. The given lines are coplanar. Then what is the value of k? There are given lines are coplanar. What is the value of k? When the given lines are coplanar, since the lines are coplanar, they lie in the same plane. So that means here you can see here, since the lines are coplanar, if we take it the determinant of this, I can see here. Since the lines are coplanar, you write the standard form. That is important. We will write the standard form. The first equation we have in the standard form x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by minus 3, and z plus 1 by, you should know the point here. X minus 1 by 2, y minus of minus 1 by minus 3 equal to z minus of minus 10 by 8. This is the line. Another one, this one. X minus 4 by 1, and to take 2 common here. If we take 2 common, I can write this one. Just they are given this right. 2y minus 5 by minus 3. Correct. This is given everything that is right. When the given point is given like 2y minus 4 means you can observe here. When they are given that point, that is important here. They are given 2y minus 4 by minus 3 and z plus 1 by 0 is given. They are given in that way, right? The point is given. That concept means I can do what I will do here. This point I can write. So x minus 4 by 1 equal to this one. If we take it 2 common, it will come y minus 5 by 2 by minus 3 by 2 equal to z minus of minus 1 by 0. So since the lines are coplanar, because we know x1, y1, z1 point here. Be careful here. Here what is x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1? The point will be 1 minus 1 minus 10. Corresponding direction ratios, again at a1, b1, c1 will be 2 minus 3, 8. 2 minus 3, 8. If we come here, in this case, you will get the point x2, y2, z2. The point will be, it comes 4 and minus y by 2 and minus 1. Similarly, a2, b2, c2. If we take this one, it will come 1 minus 3 by 2 and become 0. Even I get a direction ratio, so if you want this one, this direction is multiply with 2. It will come 2 minus 3, 0 also I can consider. The direction ratios. This is 2 minus 3, 8. Then since the lines are coplanar, this is a property you can write. Since the lines are coplanar, since the lines are coplanar, you can write determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 determinant equal to 0. Whenever the given lines are coplanar, so this determinant will be 0. The given lines are coplanar. When the given lines are coplanar, x2 minus determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0. You can consider this. You can substitute the values now. If we substitute the value, we know that x1 because this is 4 minus, I can substitute that value. 4 minus 1, you substitute the value. I can write 3 this one. Minus 5 by 2 plus 1. You can substitute minus 5 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. Correct, that's the point we have. So minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Correct. So minus 5 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. And we have Z2 minus Z1. So minus 1 plus 10. So minus or plus means you will get 9. And this one A1, B1, C1. 2 minus 3, 8. Correct. 2 minus 3, 8. We can consider that value. 2 minus 3, 8. Oh, given is a coplanar. Oh, one point is missing here. I think one of the mistakes here. I will check that. So the mistake I will tell you now here. So find the value of k is missing here. The given coplanar, what is the value of k? So that means to find the value of k, what I will do now, this one of the point you can consider this is equal to k. I think if we consider this is k, this will be correct. Oh, then everything will change. You can see here when I have taken the point, this is k I have taken. Because they are asking what is the value of k. Something I have changed now. Let it be this is k. So you will get 2y minus y, you will get this one. I will change it, just observe here. If we take it, this is k, this point will become now 2 because you have taken y minus y by 2. This will be, I have taken just k I have taken. Only consider as k. Let it be, I cancel the understood here. Just you can consider as this is k, only k. Then you will get, this will be k by 2. It comes only k by 2. So then you take k by 2 here. So drs will get k by 2, right? If we take it, this will come k by 2. Be careful here. The mistake is here. I have let it be k because they are asking find the value of k. I have taken k by 2, comma 0. So this will come now. Only 2 comma k comma 0 it comes. 2 comma k comma 0 it comes. So the changes I have done. 2 comma k comma 0. So I can consider 2 comma k comma 0. After substituting the values 2 minus 3, 8. This one determinant. Correct. You can check this. Sorry, the mistake I have done. I observed now. Somewhere k should be there. I have changed it like that. So 2 minus 3, 8. Then I have taken 2k0 which is equal to 0. I should expand, I should find the value of k. Since the given lines are coplanar, find the value of k means this is a property. Let it be this is only I have taken as k here. Then I follow this. Then I will get now. If I expand this, we get the value of k. You know how to expand the determinant. Expand using any one, either row or column. You can simplify this. If you expand 3 into, this will be 0 minus 8k plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into this 0. 0 minus 16 plus 9 into, you will get 2k. 2k plus 6 equal to 0. Now you can simplify. This is minus 24k. Minus 24k. This will come minus 24. 3 by 2 into minus 16. Correct. It will come minus 24. This will come. Here 9 into 2k plus 6. So 18k. Plus it comes here. 54 equal to 0. To simplify. Minus 24k plus 18k. Minus 6k. Minus 24, 54. It comes 30, right? Which is equal to minus 30. So k is equal to 5. That will be required answer, right? K is equal to 5. That is your required answer. So k is equal to 5. When the given lines are coplanar, you can use determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c equal to 0. Sometimes they may give two lines. They may ask to prove coplanar. Use the same thing, we should put 0. Since given the lines are coplanar, consider equal to 0, solve that, it gives k value. Two ways you can learn this problem. Sometimes they will give two lines, they will ask prove that coplanar. Use the same condition, but you should prove that equal to 0. But here they are given coplanar. Using that, we have taken equal to 0. We got the value of k is equal to 5. We substitute in that, we got the value k is equal to 5. Right, I hope you understood this. This is important concept, coplanar concept, important one. Now you can see, find the distance of the plane r bar dot. Now question number 8. Question number 8. I hope you understood this. Anyone have doubt, you can ask me now. Is it clear? Question number 8, I am doing that. Alright, you can see that question number 8 now. Find the distance of the plane r bar dot equal to from the origin. So find the distance of the plane from the origin means when they are asking distance of the plane. So easily we can find the distance. One method, if you make it r bar n cap is equal to d. Using that we can do that, or otherwise convert into Cartesian form. Then one of the problem I given the method to find distance from origin to the given plane. That also you can use it. Any one of the method you can use it. You can find that. Right. That was we can do that. Correct. You can see. The method I will tell you that. Suppose when I am using Cartesian form. So xi cap, yj cap, zk cap dot 2 by 7 I cap 3 by 7 j cap minus 6 by 7 k cap equal to 1. If I apply Cartesian, but this will come 2 by 7 into x plus 3 by 7 into y minus 6 by 7 into z equal to 1. Correct, it will come equation like this. Even if you want, you can write this one. 2x plus 3y minus 6z is equal to 7. That means 2x plus 3y minus 6z minus 7 equal to 0. We got the plane equation, Cartesian form. They are asking perpendicular distance from the origin. So easily I can find perpendicular from the origin. I can find this perpendicular distance from the origin. We can write perpendicular distance from 0, 0. I can consider from 0 x is equal to mod 2 into 0, 3 into 0, minus 6 into 0. I can write minus 7 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. You can write 2 square, 3 square plus minus 6 whole square. So this will be 0, 0 means you will get mod is there. You will get 7 by root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. So 7 by root 49. It will be 7 by 7. It comes 1 unit. Correct? It gives 1 unit. So one of the problem I explained that formula. It gives 1 unit. So that is your required answer. 1 unit. The thing is I explained in the Cartesian form. Then I have taken the Cartesian form. That will be easy. You understood here. Sometimes they will ask write the Cartesian form. Then find the perpendicular distance. See now, if the lines joining 2, 3 minus 1 and 3, 5 minus 3 is perpendicular to the line joining 1, 2, 3 and 3, 5 lambda, then find the value of lambda. Model is important, simple one. Up to question number 8, anyone have doubt? You can ask me. Do you need doubt up to question number 8? Is it clear? Tanishk, is it clear? Is clear? Yeah, the people who are attending, send me your names in the chat box. Only I know the Tanishq. I don't know other students. Let me share me your names. You can share. Fine then. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. You can ask me in the chat box your doubts. I can repeat any problem, any specific problem. I can repeat here. If you have doubt. Now, if the line joining this one and perpendicular to the line joining. So two lines are there. First line you can consider. For example, DRs of the first line. I let it be, I can write. This is A23 minus 1. And I can consider B35 minus 3. So what are the DRs of I can find? DRs of AB bar. But DRs of AB bar x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. I can find x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. You can find this 3 minus 2 1. I can find this one 5 minus 3 it will be 2 and minus 3 plus 1 it will be minus 2. This is DRs of AB bar. Like this we can find. This is nothing but I can get A1, B1, C1. Which one I can consider which is equal to, let it be A1, B1, C1. Next, like we can get another point. So the point C 1, 2, 3 I have taken. And D 3, 5 lambda I have taken like this. Now I can find DRs of CD bar. DRs of CD bar. Which is I get same formula I can use here. 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Lambda minus 3. Which is equal to you write A2, B2, C2. Since one line is perpendicular, since AB bar is perpendicular to CD bar, so the given the line AB. So line joining AB perpendicular to line joining CD. Then automatically I can write A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Take this formula A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Right? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Now you can substitute the values. A1 because I can add 1 into 2. B1 2, 2 into B2 3 and C1 minus 2 and C2 lambda minus 3. Substitute in this, it comes 2 plus 6 minus 2 lambda, it will be plus 6 equal to 0. So you will get 2 minus 2 lambda equal to 12. You will get 6 plus 6, 12 to 14 minus 14. So lambda is equal to 7. We got lambda is equal to 7. That's the find the value of lambda. We got lambda is equal to 7. Correct. We got lambda is equal to 7, right. Is clear. Right, we do the next one now. Lambda is equal to 7 only. Next one. Tenth one. Find the angles made by the line AB. Angles made by the line AB with the positive directions of the coordinate axis. A is 0, root 3, 0. B is 0, 0, minus 1. They are given this one. 0, 0, minus 1. They are given this. You can see now this problem. Because direction ratios of AB bar we will find. Direction is AB bar with the coordinate axis. You read DRs of AB bar I can read. Like using the previous formula in the previous problem. DRs of AB bar. Like x2 minus x1, y2 minus z2 minus z1. If we use 0, minus root 3 and minus 1 it comes. Correct? It will DRs of AB bar. But you can see here, what are the direction cosines of this? To find direction cosines, this is like ABC, right? DRs of this one. I can consider this is AB, I can write ABC. So you can find direction cosines, you can find direction cosines of AB bar. You can find the root of a square plus b square, I can divide this, right? If you find the root of a square plus b square plus c square, the value, it comes 0 plus 3 plus 1 root 4 is 2. You divide by 2, it comes direction cosines, right? You get 0 by 2, 0, minus root 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Correct. This will come now. They are asking angle made with the positive direction of the coordinate axis. This only coordinate axis they are making here. So here cos alpha equal to 0. This is direction cosines lmn. I can write this is equal to lmn. They are asking what about angle made by this AB bar with coordinate axis. I got lmn, right? But we know that L is equal to cos alpha. So we know cos alpha equal to 0. Then I got cos beta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. And cos gamma is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So since this is 0, alpha equal to pi by 2. Correct. Cos beta minus root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 means cos beta. What is beta? It comes. So you will get cos beta minus cos 30 degrees. And minus cos 60, minus cos pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. This one pi minus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. This is 5 pi by 6. Next we got alpha, beta and gamma. Minus 1 by 2, 120 degrees. 2 pi by 3, right? It comes 2 pi by 3. So these are the required values. Alpha, beta and gamma. This is beta is 5 pi by, this is 5 pi by 6. This is 5 pi by 6. This is 2 pi by 3. That is what they are asking here. Simple problem. Try to understand that. Next 11th one. If 2, 3 minus 4 is the put of the perpendicular from 4 to 1 to a plane, then find the equation of the plane. They are asking to find the equation of the plane. To find the equation of the plane. 2, 3 minus is the put of the perpendicular from 4 to 1 to the plane. That means the plane passing through 2, 3 minus 1, right? The plane passing 2, 3 minus 1. You can see here. I can think about just, you can think about, it will be like this. Perpendicular, the plane is like this. So 2 is a put of the perpendicular from 4 to 1. I can write 4 to 1, right? And this point is, I can consider 2, 3 minus 1. This point 2, 3 minus 1, right? Passing through that point. So I can consider this is position where let A bar equal to, I can write 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap passing through that. Correct. So I can find this is a normal vector. I can find this is a normal vector. I can find n cap. Correct. You can find normal to the plane, right? For the normal here, this is the, let it be, this is the point A, this is the point B. So AB is the normal. DRs of AB bar I can find. DRs of AB bar I can write. Just in the figure you can like this AB I written. For the DRs of AB bar I can write. You can write 4 minus 2, 2. You can write 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. And I can write 1 plus this will be 2. 2 minus 1, 2. So this is nothing but n bar. I can write. But I can write this is n bar. Normal. They are asking equation of the plane. Correct, you can write equation of the plane. Again, but because we know that this point is passing through this and DRs of the normal we know. I can a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. I can get that equation, the plane equation I can write. Since dr sub a b bar we know, let it be a b c passing through this point. This point I can write x1 y. With this point I can consider 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1. So when I have taken 2, 3 minus 1, x1, y1, z1 is nothing but 2, 3 minus 1, right? 2, 3 minus 1. Then equation of the plane is now, equation of the plane is I can write a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1. Equation of the plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Between ABC 2 into the point x minus x1 it will be 2 plus b means minus 1 into y minus, this is y minus y1 minus 3, so y minus 3 plus c means plus 2 into z minus z1 is minus 1, it will be plus 1 equal to 0. Now you simplify. We simplify, this will be 2x minus 4 minus y plus 3, it comes then plus 2z plus 2 equal to 0. So finally it comes 2x, right, 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus 2z, 2x minus y plus 2z, you will get plus 4 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5, it will be plus 1 equal to 0. These are required equation of the plane. So whenever the plane they are asking passing through A and perpendicular to the given normal will be a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Take ABC drs of the normal, these are drs of the normal, and substitute the point 2, 3 minus 1, then we get the equation of the plane. Simple one but important concept. Simple one, important concept. Now look at the 12th one now. Show that the lines are intersecting, the given lines are intersecting. Find the point of intersection. So the lines are intersecting and show that point of intersection. You should find point of intersection. So they are given, we have done one problem. When they are given symmetric form we have done. But they are given here vector equation of the given two lines. They are asking to prove that these lines are intersecting and find their point of intersection. Point of intersection. So here, when they are given like this, when they are intersecting, they should have must have a common point. So we can compare. Same thing I can compare. So we can write. Even one method is convert the first line into Cartesian form and second line Cartesian form. Then you can take general point, you can do that. Otherwise, if we take the first equation, r bar equal to, this one, if we rearrange this one, I can write 3 I cap, this 3 plus lambda I cap, I can write this one 2 plus 2 lambda j cap and minus 4 plus 2 lambda into k cap. This is one of the line, correct? We can write this one. If we consider here 2 lambda minus k cap, this is equation 1. Similarly, another second equation I can write r bar equal to, just expand mu, you will get this one 5 plus 3 mu into I cap and this one minus 2 plus 2 mu into j cap. Then only that's all. There is no k cap. I can write 6 mu k cap. I can write 6 mu k cap. This is equation 2. We have 1 and 2 equations, right? If these lines intersect, suppose they are intersecting, they must have a common point. If 1 and 2 intersect, they must have one common point. we can write now. If 1 and 2 intersect, if 1 and 2 intersect, if 1 and 2 intersect, we must have a common point, right? If 1 and 2 intersect, they must have a common point. They must have a common point. They must have a common point. So we can say they should have a common point. Then if we comparing both the equations from 1 and 2, I can write. So if we compare r bar, you will get 3 plus lambda is equal to, I get 3 plus lambda equal to, then you can compare those values. I can write 3 plus lambda is equal to 5 plus 3 mu. It comes 3 plus 5 plus 3 mu. We will get this one of the equation. We will get another one, 2 plus 2 lambda equal to minus 2 plus 2 mu, and third equation I will get 2 lambda minus 4 is equal to 6 mu. It comes like this. We should solve these equations. Because I can find here lambda minus 3 mu is equal to 5 minus 3, 2. We solve these equations. From this you can see, I can find lambda value here. Otherwise you can see what is lambda here. I can write transferring this side 2 plus 3 mu. Now in this equation substitute lambda here or any one of the equation. If we substitute lambda here, 2 plus 2 into lambda means I get a 2 plus 3 mu equal to minus 2 plus 2 mu. I am solving equation. 4 plus 6 it comes. 6 it will be 6 mu equal to minus 2 plus 2 mu. Transfer this side. 4 mu is equal to minus 8. Mu is equal to, it comes here, minus 2. Mu will be minus 2. We will get mu is equal to minus 2. Since mu is equal to minus 2, I can find lambda using this or this, any one of the equation. You can find lambda now. Since after finding this, I can find lambda is equal to 2 minus 6. It will be minus 4. So we got lambda equal to minus 4. Mu is equal to minus 2. Now substitute this point. Then you can verify. So because you get the same point now. From line 1 you can check the point. Line 2 you can check the point. You can substitute that. Because I can say now the common point. So you got these things right. If we substitute this, we will get the point lambda equal to minus 4, mu is equal to minus 2. If we substitute in line 1 and line 2, you will get from 1. If we take lambda 1, if we substitute from 1, we get the point here. Minus 1, minus, you will get the point minus 1, minus 6, minus 12. Substitute this from 2. You take from 2. The point comes again in the point in the line equation 2, replace mu with minus 2. You will get minus 1, minus 6, minus 12. So you got this. Substitute lambda in equation 1, mu in equation 2. Then you get the same point. Therefore, the given lines intersect, and their point of intersection is this. Therefore, the given lines intersect. Therefore, the given lines intersect. The given lines intersect. Therefore, the given lines intersect. The given lines intersect at the point minus 1, minus 6, minus 12. Like this we can do that. How you got this one? Substitute the value of lambda in the equation 1, mu in equation minus 2. We get the same point. That is the reason the given lines intersect at the point minus 1, minus 6, minus 12. Now we do the next one now. I hope you understood that. If you have doubt, you can ask me any specific question. I can explain again. Is it clear? And there are 5 more questions. 5 to 6 questions will be there. Understood that? Right now. You can see here the next one. Is it clear? Anyone have doubt? You can ask me in the chat box. Now explain next one. Good, okay, fine. See, the using vectors show that the points are such A, B and C intersect at the point 1, 2, 3. They are asked at the point 1, 2, 3, we should show that. Using vectors, they are asking using vectors. Correct. So the points A, B, C are such that A, B and C intersect at the point P 1, 2, 3. So similarly, what you have done the same concept only. How you have done the same concept. But we can write equation of AB bar. Equation of AB bar we can write. Because they are given the point A and B. Again the equation of AB bar. You can write, you can see here, equation of passing AB bar, I can write this point is, I can take AB. Correct. You can write the passing through this. It shows that the points AB, CD are such AB and C intersect at the point P 1, 2, 3. Correct. So again, if I consider this, what is the equation of AB bar? I can write this is A OA bar and the D BR I can consider. Suppose you can consider, let A bar is equal to minus 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap and B bar equal to 7I cap plus 0J cap minus K cap. So what is the equation of AB bar? Now you can write equation of AB bar is R bar equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. This is the formula, right? If we use this, I get an equation now. What is A bar is this? Minus 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. Correct, this one I have. Plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. 7 minus you will get 9, you will get 9I cap. 9I cap. This one minus 3J cap. Minus K cap and minus 5 minus 6K cap it comes. So this is the equation of AB bar. Equation of AB bar. And again, AB bar is R bar equal to this. Like if you do the previous problem, same thing. I can rearrange this equation. If you rearrange this equation, just you rearrange this equation, I will get this one right. So that is the reason. To compare both the sides, I should do this. I should rearrange the entire equation. If I should rearrange the entire equation, this I can write. This equation minus 2 plus 9 lambda into minus 2 plus 9 lambda into I cap. This one 3 minus 3 lambda into J cap. I can write 5 minus 6 lambda into K cap. This is line 1. Similarly, we should write equation of CD also. I can write equation of CD bar. This also I can write. Equation of CD bar is same concept. Equation of CD bar is R bar equal to same thing, passing through this point. Passing that point I can write minus 3I cap minus 2J cap minus 5K cap. How you have done? See, AB bar similar like that. Plus some U into, I have written lambda here, another one some U into B bar minus A bar means 3 minus of minus 3. It will come 6I cap, and here you can write 4 minus of plus 6J cap, 6J cap, and 7 plus 5 12K cap. equal to 0. It comes like this. If we rearrange this, same like previous model only, if we rearrange this, we will get this one. Again write minus 3 plus 6 mu into I cap and plus minus 2 plus 6 mu into j cap plus minus 5 plus 12 mu into k cap. This is line 2. So they are asking here from 1 and 2. So to intersect these 1 and 2 lines, they are asking to prove that they are intersecting, right? They are asking they intersect the point P 1, 2, 3. So from 1 and 2 to intersect 1 and 2 should have common point, right? We must have. Since 1 and 2 intersect 1 comma 2 to intersect, we must have, we must have you can compare 1 and 2. Minus 2 I can write minus 2 plus 9 lambda, minus 2 plus 9 lambda. When I comparing this one, you can see here minus 2 plus 9 lambda equal to minus 3 plus 6 mu, and 3 minus 3 lambda equal to minus 2 plus 6 mu, and this one k coefficient 5 minus 6 lambda equal to minus 5 plus 12 mu. Like this, similar to the previous one. You solve all these equations. You solve, you can find lambda value, mu value. That part you can do that. You can take it lambda value, you solve these three equations like previous problem. Solve these three values. Finally we get, after just I'm giving an idea, solve these equations. Solve these three equations. Finally we get lambda is, after solving, lambda equal to 1 by 3 and mu is equal to 2 by 3. Mu is equal to 2 by 3. It comes like this. You solve these equations because you find you solve these two equations, find lambda value, mu value, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Now you can also, after finding the first two values, you can verify third equation. Should satisfy third equation also. Using first two equations, I need two equations, you find lambda and mu. Then substitute third equation. Should satisfy third equation also. So correct, we got these two values. After that you can find here. If you put lambda equal to 1 by 3 in the equation 1, we get p equal to 1, 2, 3. Even if you put p equal to 2 in the second equation, we get p equal to 1 by 2. We will get p 1, 2, 3 only. The given point is 1, 2, 3, right? Why? Because I am not doing here similarly, because we have done the previous problem. From line 1. From line 1, you will get substitute lambda equal to 1 by 3. So P point you will get P 1, 2, 3 it comes. From line 2, again the P point it comes 1, 2, 3. If we substitute mu value here and right this one lambda value here, we get the same thing. Therefore, we can say the two lines intersect at the point 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the given two lines intersect at the point P 1, 2, 3. We can say the given lines intersect at the point P 1, 2, 3. They are asking that only, right? Yes, P 1, 2, 3. You have done right. The 14th one, find the shortest distance between the following lines. The given in the previous video I have done distance between the skew lines. But they are asking find the shortest distance between the following lines. Shortest distance between the following lines. See here, when they are asking short distance between the following lines, we can find that both are given in the symmetric form of the line, then we can find vector equation. They can do that, or I can find the points, required points. I can also do that. This one passing through -1 -1 -1, having a1, we can do drs of this. This is passing through 3 5 7, we know the drs of this. Using that we can find shortest distance between those two lines. If we take the first line, see the first line, I can write a1 b1, I can write a1 bar, b1 bar, I can write, correct. Using the first line, you can see here, I can write from the first line. In this line, I can write a1 bar is equal to point -1 -1 -1. What is b1 bar? I can write drs of this line 7 -6 1. For the second line, in this line, I can write a2 bar. Passing through this, I can write 3 5 7. Similarly, b2 bar, drs of this 1 -2 1. I have taken this. So we know that formula a2 bar minus a1 bar. a2 bar minus a1 bar, I can find a2 bar minus a1 bar to find shortest distance between the lines. If we take a2 bar minus a1 bar, it will be 3 minus 1, it will be 4, and 5 6 it will come. So this will be 8. 4 6 8 it comes. 4 6 8. I have taken a2 bar minus a1 bar. Again, now I can also require b1 bar cross b2 bar. So b1 bar cross b2 bar, b1 bar cross b2 bar is required. Right. I can find b1 cross b2 bar, b1 bar cross b2 bar means I cap, j cap, k cap, and they are given b1 bar 7 -6 1 and 1 -2 1. Same, I'm using shortest distance between two lines. I'm using that formula b1 bar cross b2 bar. I can find the vector here -6 plus 2 -4 I cap, and minus j means 7 minus, you'll get -6 j cap, right? -6 j cap, and this 14 plus -14 plus 6 minus 8 k cap. So this is the b1 bar cross b2 bar. So even we want like mod b1 bar cross b2 bar is required. You find magnitude of this mod b1 bar cross b2 bar equal to root of, I can write 16 plus 36 plus 64. Right. It will come here root 116. Root 116. But we know the formula. If we can find a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b1 bar cross b2 bar also, we have formula that I can, that will be also, that is the required one to find that value. We can find b1 bar minus cross b1 bar cross, you can find this. You can write. So b1 bar cross b2 bar dot a2 bar minus a1 bar. Dot product of these two we should find. If we use dot product of these two, we can write, this will be, I can write the value, I can write, if you use dot product, minus 16, minus 36 and minus 64. Correct, it comes again. This will be, you can see here, 116. It comes 116 only, right? Same thing, it comes 116 minus 116. No formula. They ask shortest distance between the lines. Again, shortest distance is equal to shortest distance Be careful, shortest distance between the lines. Formula we have, this is equal to, I can write mod this one, b1 bar cross b2 bar, write formula b2 bar dot a2 bar minus a1 bar by mod b1 bar cross b2 bar, right, this is the formula we have, b1 bar cross b2 bar. So we got this one, mod is there, so 116 by root 116, it will be root 116 is nothing but 2 root 29 units, 2 root 29 units. So 2 root 29 units, root 29, 2 root 29 units, that is the required answer. I hope you understood this. This is also important one, shortest distance. See the next one. Given lines are coplanar, find the equation of the plane containing them. This was a simple question only. They are asking containing them. It takes the session another 10-15 minutes to complete the topic. I hope it takes 10-15 minutes to complete the topic. We should have patience to follow the class. Another 15 minutes so we can complete the chapter only. See, if the lines are coplanar, then find the equation of the plane containing them. Equation of the plane containing them. See that when they are given this equation of the plane containing them, so given lines are coplanar, you should find the equation of containing them. So this will be easy to write the equation. Because from the first equation I can write. From the first equation, what is x1, y1, z1, I can write x1, y1, z1. The point x1, y1, z1. This passing through this. Because they are given standard equation only, right? This one again, point is minus 1 comma, look into this, 3 comma minus 2. Otherwise I will explain clearly, means I can take it right in the standard form, means I can see here. You can see here. Yes. Suppose if you take the point this one, x plus 1, x minus of minus 1 by minus 3, you will get y minus 3 by 2 equal to z minus of minus 2 by 1. If I take like this, from this what can I point x1, y1, z1 will be, the point will be minus 1, 3 minus 2. And what about drs of this? A1, B1, C1. A1, B1, C1 equal to minus 3. You get 2, 1. Now you take the second equation. X by x minus 0 by 1 equal to y minus 7 by minus 3 equal to z minus of minus 7 by 2. So from this I can write x2, y2, z2. The point will be 0, comma, at 0, comma 7, comma minus 7. Similarly, drs A2, B2, C2. This will be, we get 1, minus 3, 2. We have drs. Now directly to check that coplanar, the given lines are coplanar, find the equation of the plane containing them. Containing them. We have the equation of the plane. I have taken. I can take any one of the point I can consider. Any one of the point I can consider. The equation of the plane containing the lines is. The equation of the plane containing the lines is. The equation of the plane containing the lines is the equation of the plane containing the lines is equation of the plane containing the lines is, I can write the determinant, I can write x minus x1, I can use that, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0. This equivalent containing given lines. If we use this, I can know the point x1, y1, z1 is minus 1, 3, minus 2. Minus 1, 3, if we substitute that, it comes minus 1, minus 3, 2. X plus 1, y minus 3, because x1, y1, z1, z plus 2. And we know a1, b1, c1, minus 3, 2, 1. Minus 3, 2, 1, and this one 1 minus 3, 2 equal to 0. This is x plus 1, y minus 3. Now if I expand this, you get the required answer. You expand this, correct. If I expand the equation, this x plus 1 into, I can expand that equation, you can just solve it. Just if I expand, we get the required answer. I can write this one, x plus 1 into this one, 4 plus 3 minus of y minus 3. Just determine the expansion in minus 6 minus 1 plus z plus 2, z plus 2 into, it comes 9 minus 2. So everywhere 7 I can take it common. 7 I can take common. It comes very simple, I can write. We'll get 7x plus 7y plus 7z equal to 0. You're getting 7 only, right? Everywhere I can eliminate 7 common. So this will become, here also 7 common. So you're getting here. This will be, the equation will here. Everything correct. I am getting the common here. You simplify 7 if I eliminate x plus 1. You will get 7 means minus 7 plus 7 if I eliminate y minus 3 z plus 2. You can check that. What equation is coming here? Even concept will cancel. It will come x plus y plus z equal to 0. You simplify it, because x plus y plus z equal to 0. That is equation of the required plane containing the given lines. Just write the points. Use the equation of the plane containing the lines. Use the determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Expand that. It gives the equation of the plane containing the lines. Now find the image of the point, position vector I cap 3j cap plus 4k cap in the plane r bar dot 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap plus 3 equal to 0. Important point. This is the most important point, this one. You can learn this one most. You can practice this. Most important expected question, this one. They are asking image of the point. Find the image of the point having the position vector in the plane. They are asking r bar dot 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap plus 3 equal to 0. You should find image of the point. So this is the important one, right? Because I can write the plane equation, correct? This is 1, 3, 4. The point 1, 3, 4. We can think the point P. I can consider. So if you take it the point here, I can consider the point. This is the point P, correct? This is a midpoint in the plane M. So this is the point I can consider Q. This is a point Q I can consider. And the plane, because the given plane I can write. This plane equation we can convert. The given point I can write having position vector. So the point P I can consider 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. With the ask Q is the image of P. Let Q is the image of P I can consider. But P I can taken here. What is this plane equation I can write in Cartesian, this plane equation. I can convert this plane equation in this form you can see here. This is the given plane equation. I can write in vector Cartesian form 2x. Replace r bar xi cap plus yj cap zk cap 2x minus y plus z plus 3 equal to 0. This is the plane equation in Cartesian form. 2x minus y plus z plus 3 equal to 0. Cartesian form. Okay, see here, what are the drs of this plane? 2 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. That is a normal, right? So the 2 minus 1, 1. So from this I can write drs, I can write drs of the normal. Drs of normal will be, I can write 2 minus 1, 1. Now I can write equation of PQ, right? Passing through P1, 3, 4, I can write equation of PQ, I can write. Let Q be the image of P I can consider. Let Q be the image of P I can consider. Let Q be the image of P. Now I can write equation of PQ bar is equation of PQ bar passing through 1, 3, 4. I get equation of PQ bar is equal to equation of PQ bar is, I can write x minus 1 by drs will be this only 2 1 3 4 means x y minus 3 by correct y minus 3 y minus 3 by minus 1 equal to z minus 4 by 1. It comes this one. Correct? So because I have written PQ bar, I want to find general point on this. Let it be some k. So what the x1 comes 2k plus 1 and y is equal to minus k plus 3 and z is equal to, it comes k plus 4. I have taken k plus 4. Correct. I have taken let it be k. So now the point I can consider, let m be the point in the plane. Can you consider let m is equal to take let m is equal to the point 2k plus 1 3 minus k and k plus 4. This is a point m. But you know here the point m on the line. But this point lies in the plane 1, right? Again, but this point lies in the plane 1. Since m lies in the plane 1, I can substitute the plane equation, right? Since m lies in the plane 1, I can substitute after finding m. Since m lies in the given plane, right? So m lies in the given plane, I can write m lies in the given plane. See that since m lies in the given plane. We can substitute in the given plane this equation. If we substitute this, the plane equation m value, can substitute 2k plus 1, because the equation we have, we can write 2 into 2k plus 1, 2 into 2k plus 1, I can write minus y means 3 minus k, 3 minus k, plus z means you can write plus k plus 4, k plus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. We can find k value. If we simplify, it gives k value now. So I can find here 4k plus 2 minus 3 plus k plus 7 equal to 0. 4k plus y, this is 6k. 6k equal to, it comes 7 plus 2, 9 minus 3 is 6, it comes k equal to minus 1. We got k equal to minus 1. Then you can find coordinates of m now. After finding this, what is coordinates of m? I can write. We know that k equal to minus 1, minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1. I can substitute this. Minus will be 4, minus 1, 4, and here minus 1 plus 4, minus 1, 4, comma 3. We got m value. But let q be the image you have taken, m is the midpoint of this. Since m is the midpoint, I can find easily q, right? After finding this, you can consider, here q we can consider like some x1, y1, z1, if we consider. So q be the image of that, we have taken that. M is the midpoint of that. Since m is the midpoint of PQ, you can consider like this. Since m is the midpoint of PQ, since m is the midpoint of PQ, I can write, use midpoint formula now. We know that P point is given 1, 3, 4. With the midpoint formula, I can write x1 plus 1 by 2, and I can write y1 plus 3 by midpoint, because 1, 3, 4. Again I can write z1 plus 4 by 2, midpoint of PQ. So which is equal to, I can equate m point, we got it. So minus 1, 4, 3. You can equate this. If we simplify, x1 plus 1 by 2, you can write x1 plus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1. Now you can simplify. What is x1? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. I can find x1 is minus 3. Similarly, I can find y1 plus 3. Find that y1 plus 3 by 2 equal to 4. y1 plus 3. y1 plus 3 by 2 equal to 4. Then y1 is equal to 8 minus 3. It will be 5. It comes. Similarly, I can write z1 plus 4 by 2 equal to 3. Then you will get z1 is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. So therefore, the required image equal to minus 3, 5, comma 2. The required image equal to minus 3, 5, comma 2. That is image. Q is the image, right? The required image is equal to, image point is equal to, you get minus 3, 5, 2. That is our required answer. Minus 3, 5, 2 is the required answer. That is our required answer, right? Now find the equation of the plane. You can see that now. Another problems. Here you can see here. Write another equation. Can I continue? Still 3 more problems are there. Should I continue? Do you have the patience? Can I continue that? 3 more problems are there. Yeah. Tanishq, should I continue 3 more problems? Is it fine, Tanishq? Fine. They given here the find the equation of the plane passing through the line of the intersection of the planes and parallel to x-axis. Equation of the plane passing through the line of the intersection of the planes and parallel to x-axis. Simple problem, but more important model. Simple problem, important model. This one, you can see easily you can do this. The given here, equation plane passing through the line of the intersection of the planes and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. So generally preferable I can write Cartesian equation of the first line. So then I given r bar dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap equal to 1 is given. If I write r bar Cartesian equation, replace r bar xi cap ij cap zk cap, it will come x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z minus 1 equal to 0. This is line 1. Another one similarly, r bar dot, this one 2i cap 3j cap minus k cap plus 4 equal to 0. So this will become 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 4 equal to 0. So I given two planes. Understood how to write Cartesian product, replace r bar with the general vector, then apply dot product. We get like this. Both are because they are given here, passing through the line of the intersection of the planes. That means we can write here intersection of the planes here. So the equation of the plane passing through these two. So you think about when they are asking equation of the plane. Equation passing through these two means plane 1 and 2. I can write equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of 1 and 2. So I can write equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of 1 and 2. Passing through the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of 1 and 2. Passing through the line of intersection of 1 and 2. Intersection of 1 and 2. Generally it will be plane 1 plus lambda into plane 3. I can write plane 1 plus lambda into plane 2 equal to 0. Equal to 0. We can write the plane 1 x plus y plus z minus 1. You can write this one. You can see when I have written this one, first plane 1 we can write. What is the plane 1? X plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda into plane plate. We can write 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required plane. Okay, this plane parallel to x-axis. We rearrange this one. We rearrange this one. What it comes now? 1 plus 2 lambda into x, 1 plus 3 lambda into y, and you will get 1 minus 4 lambda into z plus 4 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the plane parallel to x-axis. Plane is parallel to x-axis. Whose drs? Plane parallel to x-axis means I can write what is the drs of this normal. I can write drs will be, it comes 1 plus 2 lambda and 1 plus 3 lambda and 1 minus 4 lambda. Since the line is parallel to, since the plane is parallel to x-axis, then normal should be perpendicular to x-axis, right? This is drs of the normal. And they can write parallel to x-axis. What are the drs of x-axis? Drs of x, you can write 1 0 0, right? This you can write a1 b1 c1. This is a2 b2 c2. a2 b2 c2. You can see the plane is parallel to x-axis. That means the normal perpendicular to x-axis. Normal perpendicular to x-axis. Correct. Then you will get the formula here, right? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to, you can write, how you write this, you can write the condition. The plane is parallel to x-axis means the normal should be perpendicular to x-axis. You can use this condition. You can substitute the values now. You can write all these values, you can substitute 1 plus 2 lambda into 1. Other values will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0 plus 1 0 0. 1 plus 2 lambda. So lambda equal to minus 1 by 2. Lambda equal to minus 1 by 2. Correct. So they are asking parallel to that. Replace lambda equal to minus 1 by 2. Then we get the required equation of the plane. They are asking here, find the equation of the plane. Intersection of the planes and parallel to x-axis. We got lambda value. Then I can replace lambda value. So because I can consider equation 3. Substitute lambda in equation 3. Let it be equation 3. From 3 I can write x plus y plus z minus 1. X plus y plus z minus, you can substitute in that. Equation of the required plane from 3. You can write from 3 x plus y plus z minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into the given right equation of the plane x plus y plus z in 1. If we substitute x plus y plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3y minus z, 3y minus z plus 4, right, equal to 0. Substitute in this, you can simplify. You will get 2x minus 2x, everything will get cancelled here. You will write y minus plus 2x will get cancelled, this if I expand this. So y is x plus y plus z, y minus 3z, y minus 3z plus x equal to 0. Y minus 3z plus x equal to 0. That will be our required equation of the plane. This is the equation of the required plane. Y minus 3z plus 6 equal to 0. If you want in vector form, you write r bar dot j cap minus 3k cap, or you can leave it. This equation is required plane. Alright. Two systems of rectangular axes have the same origin. If a plane cuts at a distance ABC, A dash, B dash, C dash respectively from the origin, prove that 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square equal to 1 by A dash square plus 1 by B dash square plus 1 by C dash square. That you can see this problem. So when they are talking this problem, you will be, you can see here what are the problem that they are given, that one. So they are given, this is the part 2 systems of rectangular axis of the same origin. Correct. The plane equations we can write at a distance. If plane cuts the distances, means one plane equation I can write x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. Another one, x by A dash plus y by B dash plus z by C dash equal to 1. Correct? They are giving this one, both 1 and 2. From the given information, right? They are asking here, cut the distance waves respectively from the origin, prove that 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Rectangle same, they are given same origin. Same or the distance will be pure perpendicular distances from origin to both the planes. I can write the length of the perpendicular from origin to equation must be same. When they are given like this is simple, only one line answer only. We can write length of the perpendicular from origin for each plane. Length of the perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular from origin from 0, 0 to the planes 1 and 2 are same. To the planes 1 and 2 are to the planes 1 and 2 must be same. They must be same. So you take this is 1 and this is 2, or these two same. Use the formula. We know that if I use formula for the first equation, I can write up to the point 0 plus 0 plus 0 will get minus 1. Correct. Minus 1 by root of, it comes 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square equal to same thing. Here also will get this side also 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 1 by root of 1 by A dash square 1 by B dash square plus 1 by C dash. I am finding perpendicular distance from origin to the given plane. Now comparing with the above value 1 by. Now you can see squaring on both sides. It gives the required answer. If you do squaring on both sides, you can see comparing this one you will get. Squaring on both sides, it comes 1 by A square plus 1 by B square 1 by C square equal to, it comes 1 by, squaring on both sides, 1 by A dash square 1 by A dash square A dash square 1 by B dash square 1 by C dash square. Correct. From this you can conclude your answer. That's all. Now comparing both, you can write 1 by So now you can write 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square equal to 1 by a1 square plus 1 by b dash square plus 1 by c dash is not a1, a dash square, b dash square, c dash square. So that is the required answer. So we completed this. Correct. Is over now. Next one. Find the distance of a point 2, 4, minus 1 from the line. This one. Distance of a point from the line x plus 5 by 1 equal to y plus 3 by 4 equal to z minus 6 by minus 9. They are asking minus 9. See this one, when they are asking this one, you can take the general point on this. They are asking distance of the point 2, 4, 1, 2 from the line. If you take the general point, from the general point you can find the point I should find on this line. If you take general point, what is the general point you take? Is equal to lambda, you can consider x plus 5 by 1, which is equal to y plus 3 by 4 equal to z minus 6 by minus 9 is equal to some lambda. They given you take general point. So what your x value will be? Lambda minus 5. Y value will be 4 lambda minus 3. And z value will be minus 8 lambda plus 6. Minus 8 lambda plus 6 it comes. This is the z value. X, y, z. I have taken general point on this. Correct. When I have taken general point here, again the DRs is 1, 4, minus 9. So you take any point on this. Correct. The given point is 2, 4, minus 1. DRs of PL per I can find. It can be any point I can consider here. Because we know DRs we can write A, B, C. DRs will be 1, 4, minus 9. Like this I have taken 1, 4, minus 9. Now you can see here, because these are DRs of the line. Now we are taking the point and the general point on that line taken. We want distance from this point. So the general point, for example, I have taken this point is 2, 4, minus 1. And this point I have taken, this is general point I have taken on the line. So this is a given point P. This is Q. Q point is I have taken lambda minus 5 and 4 lambda minus 3. What is it? 6 minus 8 lambda. Cut 6 minus 8 lambda. This is 6 minus 8 lambda. This is the general point I have taken Q. But the line PQ, perpendicular to the given line. Because we know the DRs of this, right? Again, but what is the DRs of PQ bar? Again, DRs of PQ bar. I can find DRs of PQ bar. If I find DRs of PQ bar, if we find DRs of PQ bar, what compare PQ bar? Lambda minus 7 and 4 lambda minus 3, 4 lambda minus 7, 4 lambda minus 7 it comes, 4 lambda minus 7, 7 will get 6 minus 8 minus 1, 7 minus 8 lambda, 7 minus 8 lambda, right? They given 6 minus, because they given this one, 2, 4 minus 1, right? 2, 4 minus 1. DRs of PQ bar I am taking here. 4 minus lambda will get you can see this one I have taken. Oh, this is minus 9 lambda. I have done mistake here. Should be careful here. This is Observe here, this is minus 9. That will be minus 9. So automatically this is minus 9. This point will change, right? They have written by mistake this one. Here also you can see here. This is, I can write here. This point is minus lambda. So that is the reason this will change now. So because I got doubt here. So 6 minus 9 lambda. 6 minus 9 lambda. So it will come here also. 7 minus 9 lambda it comes. That's the drs of PQ correct. But this line perpendicular to give PQ perpendicular to given line. So given a dr this one, I can simplify now. I can write 1 into lambda minus 7 plus 4 into 4 lambda minus 7. Because this line perpendicular to the given line, plus minus 9 into 1 4 minus 9 into 7 minus 9 lambda equal to 0. Now you can find lambda value. Simplify. You simplify this. It gives now lambda minus 7 plus 16 lambda minus 28. This is minus 63 and plus 81 lambda equal to 0. Now you simplify 81 lambda, 16 lambda, everything it comes here. You simplify this one, right. Total you get 81 plus 16 lambda, 98 lambda equal 98. Implies lambda is equal to 1. We got lambda is equal to 1. Then the points of Q it comes, right. Therefore Q is equal to lambda equal to 1 means you will get the point minus 4 plus 1 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 1, and you will get 6 minus 9, it will be minus 3. This is 9 lambda, correct, 9 minus 4 by 1 minus 3. Now I can find distance between P and Q. P and Q can find here. Because P and we can minus 4 minus 2. That means minus 4 minus 2 whole square and 1 minus 4 whole square and minus 3 plus 1 whole square. Distance between 2 points formula. This is 36. This is you get 9. 36 plus 9 plus 4. 49 means 7 it comes, right? Your answer is 7 units. That will be your answer. 7 units will be your answer. The 20th problem. These are simple problem. 20th takes only simple only. It won't take much time. 20th I can complete the problem. Yes, I will give idea. You can practice the 20th. It will be completed. See the problem, simple problem on 20th. We can write. Find the equal plane which is perpendicular to the plane and which is contains the line of intersection of the planes. So line of intersection of the planes, you can write required plane is equal to, I can write required plane is required plane is pi 1 plus lambda into pi 2 equal to 0. So first plane you can write x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 plus lambda into 2x plus y minus z plus 5 equal to 0. Now if we rearrange this, it will come 1 plus 2 lambda into x. You get 2 plus lambda into y, and you'll get 3 minus lambda into z, and plus 5 lambda minus 4. But this one perpendicular to the given plane. So this is required 1. And another, this is given 5x plus 3y plus 6z plus 8 equal to 0. Since 1 and 2 are perpendicular, DRs of the plane 1 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus lambda, 3 minus lambda. And DRs of the second plane 5, 3, 2. You can use the condition 1 is perpendicular to 2, right? The plane 1 is perpendicular to 2. I can write A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. If we use this, 1 plus 2 lambda into 5, I can write 1 plus 2 lambda into 5 plus 2 lambda in 1 plus 2 lambda into 2 plus lambda into 3. One plus 2 lambda into 5 plus 2 plus lambda into 3 plus we'll get 3 minus lambda into 6 equal to 0. Now if I simplify, we can find lambda value. So you will get 5 plus 10 lambda and 6 plus 3 lambda plus 18 plus 18 minus 6 lambda equal to 0. Minus 6 lambda to 13 minus 6, you will get 7 lambda. 7 lambda is equal to, you can see here, I can write this one, 18 plus 24, 29 minus 29. Lambda is equal to minus 29 by 7. We got lambda value. Replace lambda value, it gives the required plane. I can write what the required plane you have taken. The first plane, the equation 3 I have taken. Pi 1 plus lambda and pi 2 equal to 0. If from 1 I can write. From 1 or you can write equation of the required plane. The equation of the required plane is the equation of the required plane is, I can write this one. First plane are given x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4, x plus 2y minus 3z minus 4 plus lambda means minus 29 by 7, minus 29 by 7 into the second plane 2x plus y minus z, 2x minus y minus z plus 5 equal to 0. Now you can simplify. You can simplify 7x minus 54. You can simplify. This will become finally minus 51x minus 51x minus 15y. You simplify all the directly. 14y and like this you can simplify plus 50z minus, then simplify, minus 28 and minus 29 into 5, it comes minus 173 equal to 0. You simplify this. If you take minus common, it will come 51x plus 15y. 51x plus 15y minus 50z plus 173 equal to 0. So this is the final answer, required answer. You simplify taking LCM, or you multiply with 7, you simplify, you get this one. That's all. So almost we completed. So similarly, find the image of the point 163 on the line. You can try this problem 1 comma 6 comma 3. There is no dot here. 1 comma 6 comma 3. This is 1 comma 6 comma 3. You try this problem. Image of the point 163 in the line x by 1, y minus 1 by 2 equal to z minus 2 by 3. This is a simple problem. Just I will give you a hint. You can think image they are asking. You take this a point P, 1, 6, 3. This I am giving hint. You can find this is Q. This is the point Q. You should find Q. You take this is the midpoint of that. You take general point M from this. You can find general point M. So M point you can let it be lambda. If you take lambda, if you take this is equal to lambda, this I am giving hint. If you take lambda, you take general point will be lambda, comma, you will get 2 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda plus 2. 3 lambda plus, you will get M general point. This point lies on the plane right. You can see this point again here. I will get general point here. You find the coordinates of PM. The coordinates of PM, you drs of PM. You find drs of PM. That PM perpendicular to this drs, perpendicular to this line. Use dot product. You find lambda value. Then you get M value. Then find M is the midpoint of PQ. Then find the point Q. I hope you understood. You can do this. You find drs of PM. I am giving here. drs of PM bar you find. Then let it be A1, B1, C1. Given one A2, B2, C2. Apply A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Find lambda value. Because one problem I explained in the plane. Similarly, you can try this also. You can try this. We get the answer. Final answer you will get. This Q point you will get 107 it comes. You try this. Can you try the 21? Should I explain this? Yes, I am giving it. Can you try the 21? Can you try the 21? Yeah, can I do the 21? Should I explain that? Tanishq, do you try this, Tanishq? Should I explain the last problem? Hi Vishnu, okay. Will you try 21, Tanishq? There's a given hint I have not completed. You can do that. What, Vishnu? Okay then. Tanish, will you try, right? Question number 21. Should I discuss? Then fine. See you tomorrow then. Yeah, good night.